Are you eager to dive into app development, but find yourself stuck without an Apple Developer Premium account? You're not alone. Today, we're going to explore how you can download and install Xcode Beta without that premium account. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you want to access the latest tools, but hit a paywall. Many developers have faced this hurdle, and it can feel like a roadblock to your creativity. Here's the situation we're addressing. One user recently asked, "How can I download Xcode Beta without a premium Apple developer account?" They want to know if there's a way to access either the beta or stable release of Xcode. Sound familiar? Let's find out together. So why is this a challenge? Apple typically restricts beta versions of Xcode to those with a premium account. However, there are still ways to access these tools without breaking the bank. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will help you stay updated with the latest Xcode releases, even without a premium account. To download Xcode Beta without a premium Apple developer account, the user should first visit the Apple developer website. Here, they can find the latest beta versions available for download. Next, the user needs to sign in with their Apple ID. If they do not have an Apple ID, they can create one for free. This step is essential to access the downloads. Once signed in, the user should look for the Xcode Beta section. Here, they can find the latest beta version available for download. They should click on the download link. After the download is complete, the user can install Xcode by opening the downloaded file and following the installation prompts. This will set up Xcode on their Mac. Finally, the user can launch Xcode and start using it. They will have access to the beta features without needing a premium developer account. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Xcode was released in 2003? It has come a long way since then, evolving into a powerful tool for developers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution shared by a user is to visit a specific link to download Xcode Beta. They provide a Google Drive link for the download and also reference a Reddit discussion for further information. Here's that tip I promised. Sign up for newsletters from Apple and developer communities. This way, you'll be the first to know about new releases and beta opportunities. And there you have it. You now have the tools to download Xcode Beta without a premium account. Remember, staying connected with the developer community is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.